Hi, my name's Flossie and I do some of the rework here at Best Days. I've been working on these tie-dyed halter-neck tops and I create these from vintage tie-dyed t-shirts. I start by cutting along the seams of the t-shirts, so I'll cut the sleeves off and then I will iron all the pieces to make sure that there's no creases. Then I'll lay out my patterns onto them and make sure they're all facing the right way. Sometimes they have big prints or they're quite small, so it can be quite tricky. Once I'm sure there's enough material, I will pin and cut out all of my pattern pieces. I'll then sew them using a zigzag stitch on the machine, and then I will overlock all of the seams and the raw edges and hem them down like this. Once that's all done, I'll attach one of these reborn labels and give it a final iron, and then it's ready for Gemma to model.